Thanks, Roa. I'll tell you what, it's absolutely pleasant out in the middle here at Gaddafi Stadium, and we look forward to an exciting clash. Of course, this game is the last we'll see of either of these two teams. They need to put in a good performance. Right, let's talk a little bit about the weather, because it's very cool in the middle, and you can see some flags fluttering in the background there. That tells you that we're probably not going to get a lot of dew. There has been temperatures dropping in the evenings, so I think that's got nothing to do with the decision that the captains will make, how much dew will be available today. Right, let's look at the pitch now, and just before we get to the surface itself and how it's looking, it is pitch number 2, being used in 4 night games so far, and the highest score batting first here has been 131. The average first inning score on this particular surface, 125, and on the rest of them, it's up at 141. So that tells you that although we've had good batting conditions out here in the middle, this pitch probably hasn't provided the best batting conditions. Let's take a closer look at it, and you'll find similarities in all the surfaces that we've had. It's got a nice bit of green grass that's sparse there, but on the other side, which would be in line with the left-handers, and there's a few that'll be playing tonight, you can see there's a lot more less grass. It's drier, and the surface underneath looks like it's probably got a lot less moisture than we've seen. Because of that, we've seen in the evenings that the seamers have got the ball to move around when it pitches in these greener areas. I think if the ball pitches in those areas, probably not going to get so much bounce carrying through. The spinners we've seen hadn't had a lot in terms of spin, so in those areas might just die down a little bit and provide difficult conditions for the batters a little bit later. I don't think really it's anything to be fussy about whether you bat first or bowl first. However, we've seen that teams have enjoyed batting second and they've won games.